Hi and welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'll be unboxing this Polygel gel kit by Gershion. So I'm super excited for that. Before I get into this box though, I wanted to give a quick shout out to Easy Nails for leaving me this awesome comment. I appreciate you so much, so go show her some love. Thank you. So now I'm getting into this kit. I'm just gonna open it up and see what we got. I know it comes with 6 colors, so I'm really excited to see that. And it looks like there's 2 pieces to it. So first I have a 100-180 grit nail file. It does come with slip solution, and ooh, it looks like it got all over the box. It leaked a bit. So I'm just gonna have to wipe down this stuff, but I did get this rhinestone stick here, so it's a little loose. I noticed I had to tighten it up, but yeah, it comes with this cute little rhinestone stick, and it also comes with some rhinestones, of course, really cute pink looking rhinestones. This kit does come with a top coat along with the base coat. Sorry, I'm just wiping everything down. It's kind of sticky. Slip solution is a little sticky. And here's one of the colors, but I will be swatching them next, so stay tuned. And one of the other colors. So the next part of the box looks like I have some instructions here. Does come with a brush, so one side will be the brush and then the next side will be the spatula. I have some dual forms, what looks like a thank you card, just with some information on how to get their products. Some paper nail forms, a nice big chunk of them, and 4 other colors, so I will show you those next. So these are all the beautiful colors. I love them, and I'm actually going to do a set next using all of these colors. So I'm going to start with this base coat, and I'm going to apply this to the nail first. I'm going to do one nail at a time, but I'm going to apply the base coat and get that cured for 60 seconds. So I'm not really too sure what I want to do for the design, but I do know that on at least one of the nails I want to try the saran wrap marble look. So I'm going to go in with this red looking color first and get that spread across the nail. Now I'm going to take this piece of saran wrap and place it on top of this nail, and I haven't cured it yet, so I'm just going to place this on top. Make sure I don't mess up my shape too much, but I'm going to take this tool and just make a bunch of indents around the nail. So just like I'm doing, just kind of indent that, and then I will cure this with the Saran wrap still on top for 60 seconds. It's done curing, so I can just pull this right off, and look at that. That's how it looks. So I'm going to be putting another color on top of this and go from there. So for the rest of the nails, I'm kind of just freehanding here. I don't really have a clear idea, so I'm just gonna sit back and let you guys watch as I go. with the design, so I'm super excited about that. Next, I just need to clean them up and get them shaped. Now my last step is just to get this base coat applied to each of the nails, cured for 60 seconds, and we will see the results. I wanted to use everything from the kit, so I'm just gonna apply a couple rhinestones to one of the nails using this awesome gel glue. I like how they came out. I think the marble look, I used a little too much for the top colors, but other than that, I think they're super cute. This particular polygel is super thick. I like it. I think the colors are really cute, so I call this set Harvest Moon. And I just want to thank everyone for watching, all of your support. Definitely leave any comments, tips for me, polygel kits you like or think I should try. And definitely don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, guys.